I don't know if you can hear this, but my voice is going out, and I'm wheezing really bad. Everyone thinks I'm faking it, but I'm really not. That's what I hear when I'm sleeping.